Hello, I'm Nurse Joseph, and today we're going to talk about health and nutrition. We all know that the food and substances we put into our body has a direct effect on our health. There are 6 essential nutrients that our body needs to function properly, and they include proteins, carbohydrates, fats, water, vitamins, and minerals. Today, we're going to see 3 patients who have expressed concerns about their diet. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Hello, Erin. I'm Nurse Joseph. I heard that you're considering becoming a vegetarian. Can you explain to me what brought you to this decision?
Yeah, I'm considering it. I struggle with acne, so I've tried every single acne treatment. I even tried the 10-step Korean acne stuff, and it did not work. So I've read a lot that the hormones in meats can lead to acne, so I was wanting to change my diet to be more vegetarian.
I can definitely understand that. What concerns do you have about switching to this diet?
So right now I usually eat meat with every meal, along with veggies and pasta and rice. I'm worried that I won't get enough protein or nutrition when I switch to a vegetarian diet. Can cheese make up for the protein loss?
So as far as replacing proteins come to concern, there are many alternatives. Bear in mind that cheese does not have the same amount of protein or calories to replace meat. Things like quinoa, tofu, beans, lentils, and nuts are great protein substitutes and are also very iron rich. Because you'll also likely consume a lot of fiber in your diet with the increase in vegetables, be sure to drink lots of water in order to prevent any of the digestive problems that are associated with the increased fiber intake.
Okay, thanks for the suggestions. I've tried tofu before and I don't like it. Do I really need to have protein, or is it okay if I just eat fruits, veggies, and carb-heavy foods?
Yeah, so Erin, with that, it is very, very important to include protein into your diet because it should make up about 15 to 20% of your overall diet because it contributes to your body's nitrogen balance that is needed to make the amino acids in your body. They are also used to repair muscles and build up the cells needed for your hair, skin, nails. Other than that, do you have any other questions or concerns regarding this lifestyle change?
No, you're very helpful, and I hope this helps me achieve my goals.
Okay.
Hey Kia, my name is Nurse Erin. I understand that you have some questions about managing your type 2 diabetes. So let's start with discussing your main concern.
Yeah, I'm very concerned for my health. I was diagnosed as having diabetes last month, and I was just wondering if there was a way to cure it. I know I'm supposed to eat healthy and exercise, but isn't everyone? What makes me different now that I have diabetes?
You're right. Okay, the best thing that you can do for your body is to diet and exercise, but any old diet isn't going to help. There are specific groups of food that are better for your body because of how your body is absorbing the nutrients compared to someone who doesn't have diabetes.
Well, what exactly do you mean? What changes do I need to make?
Well, let's start with food choices. One way to help control your diabetes is to monitor your carbohydrate consumption. You should be eating good carbohydrates like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and low-fat milk instead of a diet filled with unhealthy foods like fried food, junk food, fast food, cakes, other sweets. You'll need to limit the amount of saturated fats to less than 7% of your total caloric intake and eat less than 200 milligrams of cholesterol a day.
Okay, so I understand what I need to do when deciding what I eat. So what do I need to do about exercise? I do walk all day at my job and it doesn't seem to be enough. Why can't I lose weight?
So walking at your job does allow you to get steps in, but you won't get the results that you need. Okay, you also need to exercise for at least 30 minutes 5 times a week. This can still include walking, but you have to be sure to be at a continuous brisk pace for more efficient exercise. Your heart rate will need to be higher for the exercise to be productive. Don't be afraid to start slow and work your way up to a faster pace.
Well, how am I supposed to know what to keep my heart rate at?
So I can help you with that. Since you're 48 years old, your heart rate should stay between 103 and 120 beats per minute while you're actually doing exercise. You can track this using a fitness watch if you would like. Losing weight will take time and effort, so start with small goals and work your way to larger goals to make your ideal health more attainable.
Okay, I think I can do that. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, anytime.
Okay, I can't wait to see where this journey takes my health. Okay. Hi Sam, my name's Nurse Kia, and I see you're here to talk about reducing your risk for cardiovascular disease. There's lots of modifications that we can implement to help you. Do you have any questions before we begin?
Yes, I know I have to change what I eat and exercise, blah, blah, blah. But do I really have to quit smoking?
Yes, smoking is detrimental to your health in more ways than just your lungs. It affects your heart as well. It can lead to atherosclerosis, which is when your arteries become hard and plaque builds in them. This causes strain on your heart, so it's not able to push the blood through your body properly. This can also lead to a heart attack or even a stroke, so smoking cessation is a must.
Wow, I didn't know that at all. I definitely don't want a heart attack. All right, I'll think about quitting. What else do I have to do then? Join a gym, eat like a rabbit?
Well, not necessarily a rabbit, but you definitely do need to eat more fruits and vegetables and limit your intake of red meat. You can eat fish at least twice a week, and you should also eat lots of complex carbohydrates.
What the heck is a complex carbohydrate? What kind of food is that? I've never heard of it.
Well, it's not necessarily just one food. There's several different ones that you can eat, like sweet potatoes, beans, lentils, oatmeal, whole wheats, and so many others. You do need to cut out food and drinks with high amounts of salt and sugar. That means no soda, no sweet tea, that sort of thing.
I'm from the South. The sweet teas are water. That's torture. I can't do that.
I understand that, but there's more to it than that as well. You do also need to limit the trans fat to lower your cholesterol. It's all a balancing act. You have to pay attention to your caloric intake while also balancing that with exercise. All these steps are going to greatly reduce your risk of heart disease.
That sure does seem like a lot of work, but if it keeps my ticker ticking, I guess it's worth it. Thanks for your help.
You're so welcome. If you have any questions, make sure you call me. I'm here to help you.
Hello again. Lifestyle changes don't happen overnight and take constant work and development. Be sure to consult with your healthcare provider to ensure you are taking the proper steps to maintain a healthy life. Thank you. Just let me know when you're starting.
I say starting
whenever
whenever you're ready.
Okay. Nutrients and minerals. Oh. Vitamins, minerals.
I don't know people.
Go to Erin. Don't you do it.
It's not his favorite thing in the world to be held.
Okay.
Are you recording?
Whenever you're ready.
Alright. I know, it's going to protect your heart as well. It can lead to atherosclerosis, which is when your arteries become hard and plaque starts to build in them. This causes strain on your heart, so it's unable to push the blood through the rest of your body properly. This can also lead to a heart attack. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. I'm here to help you.